Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Like most plant foods, tofu contains several antinutrients. These include trypsin inhibitors. These compounds block trypsin, an enzyme needed to properly digest protein. Phytates. Phytates can reduce the absorption of minerals, such as calcium, zinc, and iron.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cruciferous veggies cauliflower, cabbage, kale, broccoli, are best eaten cooked, steamed. Eating them raw can lead to extra flatulence. Tofu is soy and soy is a bean, so you can probably do the math there.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Processed foods. When ingredients such as oil, sugar or salt are added to foods and they are packaged, the result is processed foods. Examples are simple bread, cheese, tofu, and canned tuna or beans. These foods have been altered, but not in a way that's detrimental to health.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Regular consumption of tofu helps reduce the risk of getting a stroke and other cardiovascular diseases, by reducing bad cholesterol levels and triglycerides. It prevents obesity and helps lose weight, as it is extremely low in cholesterol and fat content.
Take our lead.
Almond milk is a poor source of protein, fat, and nutrients important for an infant's growth and development. What's more, many processed varieties contain additives like sugar, salt, flavors, gums, and carrageenan.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Nutritional highlights. Tofu is a good source of protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It is also a valuable plant source of iron and calcium and the minerals manganese and phosphorus. In addition to this, it also contains magnesium, copper, zinc and vitamin B1.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If we are talking about soy in its whole form such as edamame, tofu and whole soy milk, then it is healthier than meat in the sense that soy provides an excellent source of protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals, without the cholesterol and saturated fat found in meat, she says.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
This meatless option is a staple for vegetarians, and rightfully so. It boasts more fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc and folate than chicken and contains fewer calories, sitting at just 79 calories in a 3-ounce serving.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Soy is unique in that it contains a high concentration of isoflavones, a type of plant estrogen, phytoestrogen, that is similar in function to human estrogen but with much weaker effects. Soy isoflavones can bind to estrogen receptors in the body and cause either weak estrogenic or anti-estrogenic activity.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.